Hi everyone, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks very much for joining me. Today I want to go through sound and vision on this stunning device. This is the Samsung Galaxy S7 from Vodafone. Massive thank you to them. And first of all, let me just go through the vision and sound on this phone. So this is a 5.1 inch display. It is a Super AMOLED display. And the resolution is 1440 by 2560 with a PPI of 577, which is very high. If you compare that to iPhones, HTCs and other Android devices, it is really pushing the boundaries. So with Samsung offering to make iPhone screens from next year, so the iPhone 8 or iPhone 7s, whatever you want to call it, we're going to see that step up in screens on iPhones next year, but that is only thanks to Samsung making the screens. So we'll wait and see about that, but this display is absolutely stunning for me. From being visually impaired, I think it's really great. It's nice and bright. Might be a bit too bright for some people. Some people said they've had to really turn it down, but for me it's great. Vivid colors, very sharp in movies, and I've checked out Netflix, YouTube and everything like that. Really good. Sound wise, really loud as well. 92 decibels will come out of the speaker. So out of the speaker is these little dots down here on the bottom right hand corner. This is your speaker grill here, and it still sounds absolutely fantastic. We do have a 3.5 jack as well if you need to use them headphones. So for this test, I actually go into the Google Play Store. So the Google Play Store is somewhere around here. Here's the Google Play Store. We're going to jump into the entertainment. You can just look at the colors there, and it actually looks really nice. So going to go into entertainment, and the film that stood out for me to show maybe was Shrek. I know it's quite an old film, but I thought, hey, it's really different. I enjoyed watching it when it first ever come out. So let's play you the trailer.
Princess, where are you? It's very spooky in here. I ain't playing no games. Well, at least we know where the princess is. But where's the dragon?
DreamWorks Pictures invites you to a land of fairy tales.
Hey! Oh, no. Dead girl off the table!
Where are we supposed to put her? The bag's taken.
What?
Where an unlikely hero
You definitely need some Tic Tacs or something, because your breath stinks!
rescues a fair princess
You didn't slay the dragon?
It's on my to-do list.
from a nasty villain
Eat me!
with the help of his trusty companion.
This is gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles.
This summer, one name spells action.
You're not exactly what I expected.
One name spells adventure.
How about here? Before this is over, I'm gonna need a whole lot of serious therapy.
One name
Don't look down. Shrek, I'm looking down.
spells romance.
It's no way to behave in front of a princess. Ooh, wow. She's as nasty as you are. Come on!
There's an arrow in your butt!
Oh!
And that name is
Shrek.
Shrek. Thank you very much. I'm here till Thursday.
Mike Myers, Eddie Murphy, Cameron Diaz, John Lithgow.
You love this woman, don't you? Yes. You want to hold her? Yes. Please her? Yes. Then you got to tie a little tenderness.
Shrek.
Wow. Let's do that again. No.
Okay, that was Shrek there. If you haven't ever seen Shrek, I don't know where you've been living, or if you've got kids, please just go and check it out. Absolute great film. And there's many more films after that as well. So also I wanted to go through some music tracks. So I'm just going to jump into the music section here. Okay, so in the Google Play Store now, let's check out the music tracks I want to play you. So from the album Now 93, I can't believe we've got up to that number now, is 7 years. This is a great track. So let me just play this here for you.
Yourself a wife or you would be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories.
So it's really impressive there. The volume level of this phone is really great. So loud and very clear and very precise as well. There's no tinny effect or no like sharpness to it. It sounds really good on the Samsung Galaxy S7. And another track I want to play you is from the album 100% Clubland. So I'm a big fan of the Clubland album, so 90s music, 2000s sort of like music, from my sort of era of music. So let me just play you a couple of tracks from here. So as you can see there, from a dance song as well, it's a really good bassy device. Through the headphones as well, it sounds really good. The Samsung headphones that are provided do sound okay, but more expensive ones are going to give you a better sound quality as well. Remember, wireless headphones will work with this, and Bluetooth ones, you just need to pair them up. So for the last video sound test that I want to show you is from YouTube and from my channel. So just going to jump into YouTube here. So the quality is on the highest possible setting. There's the charcoal grey, so many different colours to go for, but because of which I think is kind of quite expensive really. Look kind of nice together. So what you simply do is it will align. There we go. So having a look at the iPad with the case on, it doesn't actually add much to the profile. So just go back home there. So that was the sound and vision on the Samsung Galaxy S7. Let me know what you think down below. Me personally, I think it's a very stunning sound system on this phone. 92 decibels, so it's really loud through that speaker. 62 decibels when using a loudspeaker on a voice call as well. So you're going to get good cooling assistance from this. So any videos you'd like to see, please let me know. Please give a thumbs up. Please check out our latest videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.